Hello everyone. I'm thrilled to be here today to talk to you about the new and thrilling CUET UG entrance examination 2024 for business studies. So students, I welcome everyone to you at every one of you to Sourav sir's classes crash course, which is a powerhouse to help you excel through the gateway of CUET entrance examination, which will ultimately help you to ace your career and book your slot in your dream university. Okay students, so without any wastage of time, I will begin. So first and foremost, let me assure you regarding our classes that are designed to provide you with one of the exceptional learning experiences, students. Why? Because it is the most comprehensive preparation for this curriculum examination. So we understand the importance of the CUET entrance examination of 2024, and with that in mind, we have designed this course especially for the undergraduate students who will be appearing for the entrance examination in 2024 for the business studies subject. So giving you an overview of the subject which you have chosen is that you will have topics like nature and significance of management, principles of management, then you will be having importance of management in a business environment, what is business environment. Then there are topics like staffing, controlling, planning, organizing, and coordination. And then there is also it is overall consumer protection. So these overall these are the topics which will give you a chance to enhance your knowledge in the world of business and corporates, which is now currently active. So students, we offer a unique and innovative approach to learning for you. Okay, now how is that? It is because our classes are structured in a way that ensures that you receive the best of the knowledge, not only limited or confined to the bookish knowledge, but also a well-rounded education which is covering all the aspects of the CUET entrance examination. Okay, so we believe, so we not only believe in giving 12 hours and 14 hours of study time and then just blindly just studying anything whatever is written. No, we believe in a much holistic approach. Now how is it different? It is different, students, because we not only focus on the academic excellence of our students, but we also try to make our students understand and let them excel and explore their inner abilities to develop their crucial thinking skills, problem solving skills, decision making abilities, and overall personality development. So we understand that in this particular era, students are the most busy people nowadays. So they are juggling between many multiple tasks and things which they have on their plate. So we taking care of this, we also provide our students with a 100% guaranteed crash course in this. You are getting mock tests, practice year papers, past year question papers with selective questions, not just random questions, with selective questions, most probable ones, and also 24/7 assistance for our enrolled students. So please do not waste your time, students, and enroll with us for the course, because we take pride in our unique teaching techniques, methodologies. We have diverse learning needs of our students, which is fulfilled by our experienced faculty members who take care that they have all the different approaches and facilities and tools to enhance the learning experience of our students, like projections and then group discussions, innovative learnings. And we try to create an environment, a very friendly and belonging environment, where the student can feel that they belong from here. Okay, they belong here. So this creates a sense of belongingness, and the student can interact with each other, and there is a healthy kind of family kind of environment over here, where people or students can interact with each other and discuss and share their experiences about the examinations and their kind of methodologies and individual expertise. So yes, these are there. Now, not wasting any much further time, I invite you to our powerhouse crash course at Dr. Sourav sir's classes, because we also have this much confidence that we give you 100% refund if you are not satisfied with your marks. So students, do not waste your time, do not hesitate. We get motivation from your dreams and we stop at nothing to help you ace your program. So do enroll with us. The details are given in the description as well as here in the screen. So feel free to ask any questions, and remember that Sourav sir's classes is 24/7 available for their students. Thank you.